Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage. Today we're taking a look at the Tape-On deflectors from Stampede, which are a great product to help you beat the elements while also adding a little bit of attitude to your truck. These side window deflectors help create a drip edge to your vehicle, which allows you to keep your windows partially open for ventilation, but without rain getting in. Each set of Tape-Onz deflectors are created to be an exact fit for your year, make, and model. And with their contemporary design, wind noise is also reduced. Tape-Onz are durable, UV stable, and scratch resistant. And just like the Vigilante hood protector from Stampede, they come in a variety of finishes. This installation is super straightforward and you can definitely do it yourself. So we rate this a 1 out of 10 and it'll take you about 15 to 20 minutes. The Tape-Onz deflectors from Stampede are proudly made in the USA and backed with a limited lifetime warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Tape-Onz deflectors from Stampede. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out the description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.